Okay, many of you asking what are the 2 marks important question, what are the top most important 4 marks question. So in this short period, I think these are very helpful to you. So here 2 marks questions are displaying. 44 2 marks questions are there. The top most 44 very short questions. So definitely, if you practice these questions, you can success in maths 1A. So depend on your appearance in the exam, you can get the good score. So don't do any kind of mistake. I told you in 7 marks questions also, in that video also. So after completion of practice, just write the test yourself. So then only you can know where you are not getting, where you are getting. So that is most important. So in the second page also, the remaining chapters, very short questions are displayed here. Addition of vectors, product of vectors, trigonometry, okay, hyperbolic functions. Yes. So all the best, dear students. Just 20 days are there. For 7 marks question video also, you can see in the description. After this 2 marks question, next 4 marks questions also will be displayed. Yes, already displayed. So from first chapter, 4 marks questions are not there. From second chapter means that was deleted. So third chapter from matrices, 2 4 marks questions are there. So this is the very most important chapter, the matrices topic, and very easy chapter. Yes, addition of vectors also easy. So in this video also, in the description I have given the links of chapter wise videos. So within 10 days or within 15 days, 20 days, you can complete total syllabus, because of I taught very less questions, the most important questions I taught. So those are enough. Many of you asking, and again they are getting doubt, sir, whether these questions are enough or not. I'm saying those questions are enough, and in this particular period, the short period, so don't go more than these questions. Okay, again I'm repeating the 2 marks and 4 marks continuously. So thank you watching our videos, and I think these very important questions are helpful to you. So if you do not subscribe, please subscribe, please click the like button, give the comment whatever you feel. Are you happy about these questions, and do you want more questions or you want enough? Okay, in the similarly maths 1B questions also I will release. Okay, so all the best. Thank you watching our videos. Any doubt? Yes, we just write the questions or take a screenshot. Thank you.